Hey guys, welcome back here. This is verified drop. So we've got a cool airdrop for you from the OpenEX with the Satoshi Mining app. Okay, so let's get into this video. Okay, so you come over there in the project, you click on that. Once you get there, you see this OpenEX, this OEX first there. You click on that. Once you click on that, you see participate in airdrop. Like after you see that, you click on participate in airdrop to participate in this, and you see successfully participated in the airdrop. And that's it. Like that's how to participate with the Satoshi Mining app. It's just like the call and the other likes of it, and like it's really cool. Okay, so like if you don't want to participate in it, you can exit and just get out of this. And there are some other projects you can participate in there, like this Tesla coin, Bitcoin, Tesla coin, and stuff like that. So that's it for now. So like once you leave this page, you go and check some other cool features here, and you can keep on referring and keep on inviting people to this airdrop. Like you keep on referring and your rank keeps on increasing. So okay, so like you see, it has been added to our airdrop here, OEX, waiting for next round to be processed. Okay, so we have to wait for the next round to be processed, which will be within 13 or 12 minutes. So like once it's processed, and that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do so. Until next time guys.